How to remove object from video in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove object from video in Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first open up your Capcut app and click create project, and then you have to choose the project that you want to work on. For that you have to click import, or you can just drag and drop your video in that bar. So here you have to choose a video from your PC, and then you have to click this plus sign and add it to the track. Once you have your video, now you simply have to play this video and choose a place where you want to remove the object from. For example, I want to remove this object from my video. First, I'm going to split and delete this part, and now I have this video over here and I have to remove this object over here. So I'm just going to right click on this track, and then I'm going to click copy, and then I'm going to just paste it over here. I'm going to right click again, and then I'm going to click paste. Now I have pasted this project over here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go to this mask option under the video section. You'll find this mask, click it, and then you have to click add mask. Now choose a shape of mask that you want to add. For example, you can add this rectangle or circle, whichever you like. I'm going to add the circle because my object is kind of oval circle. And now I have to just choose this place over here that you want to just add the mask for. Just rearrange its size, and once done, just adjust its placement and then go back to basic. Once you go back to basic, now you have to just choose that point that you masked, and you have to place it on the object that you want to remove. And now you can just adjust the placement of this mask. Just choose the object, and then you can just choose the place where you want to remove it from. So I'm going to just adjust the placement of this mask, and here you can just make it as natural as you want it to be. I'm just using this as a tutorial purpose and showing you the process. You can just adjust the placements, and you can adjust the backgrounds, and you can just choose the precise point that you want to choose to just remove or hide the object. And that's how you remove an object from your video in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.